Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, September the 17th, 2024. Not so good news because we have only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Three Stars Sudoku with 4 stars and the Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. So only three puzzles, regular puzzles for today. And the news of today, well, I've just heard that in Lebanon, there are, no extra puzzles, okay. There are deadly pager explosions in Lebanon, yeah. You know, it's the work of the Mossad, the Israeli Mossad has put 5,000, I believe, 5,000 pages explosions in the pages, and the Hezbollah people has a pager, and they can call that pager, and there will be an explosion as a result. Yes. So that's a mean war. Yeah, a mean war. All right. Enough about the war. Let me start with the first one, the Three Stars Sudoku. This will be number 9286. 9286. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Okay, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number? The number. Well. Yeah. There's a lot of threes. Okay. Let me start with 8 down. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need to place 11. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. How about the 5? 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 here in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5. Right, need a 5 here. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 5. We have a 5 now in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then, let me see. How about? Well, three. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3, cube here. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left of 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. The 3 here or here. Yeah. 3 here or there. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left is 7 should be there. I need a 4 here. I need a 4 there. Okay. Then let me see. 8. Need an 8 here. And need an 8 there. Okay. How about? Need a 2 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on. 7 here. 7 there. 7 here. Well, how about the 1? Nope. Can't do anything with the 1. Need to think. 7, 1. Ay. 4 there. Need a 4 there. What's happening? Let me put some numbers. In this column we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. 2 and 8. Yeah. Here 9 there. 9, 8, and 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column, the only place left, 2 should be there. 8 and 4, okay. 3, 4. 6. Come on. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left 2 should be there. 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Oh no, 2. We have a 2 here. 2. Cannot continue with the 2. How about 1 and 7? Come on. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. That means the 7 should be in one of these two boxes. In this column, we have 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. Only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We here can be 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes. In this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7. In the second row, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the 7 in the second column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, now, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And we have a pair. The 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left. The 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this third row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And we have again a pair. 1 and a 7 in this row. The 1 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8. We have 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first one, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 3s? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then let me see. 1 box left now in this second row for number 1, the 2, The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the fifth column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Yeah, definitely a 2 stars. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. Not faster than 50 minutes. So anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Yeah. Until then, bye bye for now.